according to the National Pest Management Association, termites cause more than $5 billion in property damage every year. And to make matters worse, these costs are generally not covered by homeowners insurance. In other words, termites are bad news for homeowners. Thankfully though, there are 5 steps that you can do to reduce your chances of becoming a landlord for the world's worst tenants. First, eliminate wood in contact with the ground. To do this, you can get a simple platform to keep your wood elevated several inches off the ground. Second, don't store wood against your home. Move that firewood at least 5 feet away from the foundation. Third, don't let mulch build up above the foundation. If you enjoy having a nice thick flower bed, be sure to taper down towards the house to have at least 2 inches of your foundation exposed. Fourth, don't let water pool near your foundation. Be sure to level your yard and use proper drainage to direct water away from the home. And finally, seal gaps caused by settling. A little caulk should do the trick for this. And even if you do everything right, you still may find yourself with these little wood munchers. So be sure to keep an eye out for common signs such as shelter tubes, termite droppings, or damaged wood. If you do see any of these signs of a termite infestation, it's important that you act quick. Call a pest service and begin the extermination process pronto. So if you would like to protect life's biggest investment, your home, then take the time to do these 5 simple steps. And remember, for all of your home inspection needs, give Diamond Head Home Inspections a call at 808-228-7478 or visit our website at diamondheadhomeinspections.com. We'll see you there.